Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that ARIA AI token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, ARIA AI is a next generation AI generated Web3 gaming ecosystem that aims to bring high quality immersive game designed from the traditional Web2 world into the decentralized Web3 space. AI powered gaming world. It creates dynamic evolving game worlds with intelligent NPCs, personalized storytelling, and AI generated content. Dual purpose narrative token. The ARIA token serves as a both governance tool for community voting and a utility token for in-game purchases and accessing AI features. BNB Chain Foundation. The ecosystem is built on the BNB chain using the BP20 token standard for efficiency and interoperability. AriaAI project institution rating is 4.3. AriaAI token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 312.27 million ARIA token. ARIA token is listed on Binance Alpha, KuCoin, MEXC and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 80% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.